Why is Bitcoin still rising? That is the question so many people has been asking and not getting the adequate reply. So in this video, I'll be showing us why Bitcoin has been rising without dropping for quite a long time now and is beating other cryptocurrencies for such a long time, staying fully in the market. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. If you're new to this channel, why not take our time to hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button, the one beside the subscribe button, so that you can get much updates from this channel. Thank you so much. Now let's get to the business of the day. Now, a lot of people have been wondering why Bitcoin is still rising. I'll be showing us two major factors that has influenced the market of Bitcoin, that it has remained stable and ever rising. Now, there was an analysis that came out that if you had $100 of Bitcoin as at about 2015, then you will be worth about $20 million at this point in time, which is not wrong because Bitcoin as at that point in time was on a low, but now it is very high. In Naira, it's about 11.6 million Naira, which is so high. So guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. Now, one of the factors influencing the rise of Bitcoin in the market is the adoption as a payment system. Now, so many companies, so many places all around the world has adopted Bitcoin as the major source of exchange. That you have transfer. Just imagine you go to the bank now and you want to make a transfer. They ask you for foreign exchange. You need to start a domiciliary account. You need to do some of those things, but Bitcoin has made it easier to transfer money from countries to countries, which means you can decide to want to send from United States to Canada, or you might decide to want to send from Canada to Nigeria. Different countries, you just ask them for their crypto wallet number, and you send this Bitcoin to them without any stress, and they can convert this to money. So many people are adopting this system as a means of this thing, which means more people are in the market. And you know how this thing works. When more people invest or place money in different currencies, in different cryptocurrencies, it tends to rise beyond the normal amount. Now, you notice at a point in time, so many of all these cryptos, you saw Ripples, you saw Bitcoin, you saw Ethereum rising beyond normal, because at the beginning of this year, Ethereum, I think it started about 100,000 Naira. Now it's about 300,000 Naira. We saw Ripple starting at about 70 Naira. Now it went as high as up to 400 Naira, then moved down back because of SEC laws. And let me just say a bit on Ripples, why they dropped that much. I heard that they had a problem with SEC, and so many people had to pull out of the market. So it dropped their crypto level to where it is now. So because so many people pulled out of it, yeah, they had to drop, because I told you the more investments in a crypto, the more it rises up. Now, people have the some people have the advantage of influencing the market. How do they influence the market? Now, you have companies. That's the second part. You have companies actually influencing this market because they have so much money to invest in all these cryptos. So just imagine putting $1 billion in a particular crypto market. It's definitely going to influence that market. Now you place $1 billion in Bitcoin, is definitely going to rise. You place $1 million in Ripples, is definitely going to rise beyond the normal. So all these factors actually influence this. Now, another factor that actually influence the rise of all these cryptos, especially Bitcoin, is that people were looking for alternate source of income. Now, what do I mean by that? During the COVID-19 period, a lot of people needed to deviate into other means of income for themselves. So they looked into the crypto market and found out that it is actually a place to be. It's actually a place to place their money for now. So many people actually went over to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, to Ripples and Litecoin, other cryptocurrencies, and they place their money there, to which actually influenced the market of cryptocurrency. So the adoption first, the companies influencing it, then many people looking at it as a source of income for themselves. In the recent video I made, I talked about whether Ripples was right for investment now, whether it's the right time to invest in Ripples at the moment. You can go back and check that video out. It's very detailed. You can see I talked about what caused their fall fully. I talked about so many things in that video. You can go and check it out. And in the next video, I'll be talking about whether it is right also at this point in time to invest in Bitcoin. So you might want to check up on that. So hit the red subscribe button on this channel, hit the push notification button. You'll be the first to get information. Also on this channel, we've been having some businesses and investment classes. I'm sure if you've been missing out on all those classes, you've been missing out on a lot, because so many people have been getting testimonies from these particular classes we've been having, because at some point I'll start inviting so many guests that are experts in all this crypto marketing, so you can actually benefit from it if you are in line with it, so that your 2021 is going to be sweet. I'm sure so many of you can't wait for 2021 to come, and I'm sure you're already preparing to bust into 2021 and have a lot of money to spend for yourself and your family and give back to people. So just an advice that you should actually subscribe and get some of all these things. Go back, watch some of our videos that talks about all this crypto marketing, which will be very, very helpful to each and every one of us. Thank you for your time. And also, let me use this medium to wish each and every member of each and every subscriber of Daily Happenings a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Make sure you have fun with your family. Make sure you take out time to enjoy this moment. It's a really great moment for each and every one of us. So please take out your time to enjoy this moment. Thank you so much for staying with us. I will see you soon. Goodbye for now.
Please, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button, which will give you updates as we keep on posting new